The My2050 carbon calculator is designed by the Government Department for Business, Energy and Industrial Strategy, and it projects future carbon scenarios for the UK in the 21st century. The interactive web tool is designed to have 15 sliders under 5 group headings, and the goal is to create a net zero future in your carbon dioxide equivalent meter in the top right hand corner of your screen. I'm going to give you a full run through of how to use this interactive web tool and our accompanying teaching resources.
This is the BEIS My2050 carbon calculator. BEIS stands for the Department for Business, Energy and Industrial Strategy. Your task today is to find a pathway to reduce UK greenhouse gas emissions to net zero by 2050. That's a 100% reduction in the CO2 meter reading on the right hand side of your screen in yellow and white. BEIS have created a whole energy system model for this interactive, involving thousands of data sources and assumptions on greenhouse gas emissions in the UK, most of which are carbon dioxide. The interactive comes to life when you click it. And at the bottom there are 15 different levers to choose from, represented by these blue icons, each with 4 levels to click on. The aim of this resource is to educate school children on climate change, the greenhouse gas effect and understanding net zero. We suggest 7 lessons, the first of which is called A New Nuclear Future. Firstly, students should identify opportunities and challenges that they can see in the interactive for energy production in the 21st century. Lesson 1 revolves around the key question: how many more nuclear power stations will be built with the nuclear lever being set to level 2? Students should click level 2 to find the answer in the pop-up box. After that, go to the Results tab, which takes you through to a graphic illustration of what's just been decided. Your scenario is in green, and it's compared to a reference scenario where all levers are set at level 1 in grey. And that's the end of lesson 1 for the My2050 carbon calculator.